Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week, I want to show you a different way to look at the wrapped accordion, so let's take a closer look. If you're unfamiliar with wrapped accordions, here's a classic example. The key characteristic of a wrapped accordion is the extra panel that wraps as a cover. The benefit is that you get a zigzag accordion experience with a closed edge that is much better for mail or insertion into envelopes. A standard wrapped accordion like this one opens to the left and pulls out to the right. Now let's look at the same fold a little differently. This brochure for GMC looks and feels like a perfect bound booklet. If you look closely, you can even see a score about 1/4 of an inch from the spine on both sides and a narrow box score to create the spine. It paginates like a booklet all the way through until you get to the end and realize it's a reverse wrapped accordion. Pull it out and there's a huge panoramic image on the back of those pages. This is the exact same folding style as the previous, but with the wrapped cover at the back instead of the front. Let's look at one more. This one feels more like a saddle-stitched booklet with its curved spine. Paginates all the way through just like the other one, but this one is for a private preschool, and the fun reveal at the end is a growth chart that can be colored and hung. Such a cool and useful idea for their target audience. So now I'm going to prove that this is the same fold as the Tiffany sample by flipping it over, opening it to the left, and pulling it out to the right. Pretty cool, right? Make it wrap for the front cover and get one experience, flip it over and get a totally different opening experience. I love this idea, and the reverse wrapped accordion is awesome if you're looking for a way to get paginated content without adding bindery to the production process. Wrapped accordions can be machine folded, but run length and panel count will drive this decision for sure. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.